Let's set up our first Performable Engage automated email. We'll start with a great pattern that is widely used in e-commerce, the shopping cart fetchback, messaging users who have begun but not completed a purchase transaction. To get started, we'll simply give our automated email flow a name, shopping cart fetchback campaign. Now we pick a starting condition. That's easy, it's began cart checkout. Now, we don't want to email people right when they start the checkout. We want to see if they make it through the process, and only email them if they don't. So let's add a delay. We'll say 1 day. Okay, now we add another step to our flow. And we should take a quick moment to hook Performable Engage up to our email provider. Let's use our MailChimp account since we're already using them. Looks like I need my API key, so let's grab that. Awesome, easy enough, and I only need to do it once for each email provider I want to use. Now I see a list of my MailChimp lists, and I'll choose this one here, Shopping Cart Fetchback Campaign. For the magic, I don't want everyone getting this offer, so I can segment the recipients based on their behavior as measured by Performable Lifecycle Analytics. First, I make the email send conditional, and then I see I can choose to send to people who have or have not performed any of the events that Performable measures for me. Let's go ahead and message users who have not completed purchase. And then that's it, we're done. E-commerce is great, but what about software as a service products? Seems as though everyone is offering free trials these days. How best to convert these users to paid accounts? One terrific pattern we've seen addresses the common problem of users signing up for free trials and not getting around to setting the product up and really giving it a proper try. Performable Engage is a great solution here. We'll set up a free trial welcome flow. We can kick it off when someone registers for a free trial, and then let's send them a free trial welcome message through MailChimp. Cool. That's good, but not enough. What happens if after 14 days the user hasn't even logged in to try the free trial out? At this point, we're going to send them an email that does a couple of things. If they have never logged in, they're going to receive an email with some additional information about the product, as well as a link that will automatically reset the trial, giving the user another proper chance to evaluate the offering. Let's follow this train of thought for a minute. What other scenarios represent holes in the bucket, so to speak, where we lose potentially valuable users for avoidable reasons? One that comes to mind is users who do transition into paid accounts, but churn because they never get set up exhaustively with the product. Why not reach out to these customers with a note offering a courtesy VIP setup and training session? Performable Lifecycle Analytics integrates with various third-party applications, including many that you might already be using. In this case, the SaaS recurring billing history for each user is recorded in the Performable CRM, and each event is available to engage to trigger messaging flows. That means setting up this rather exotic targeted message scenario is as simple as any within Engage. That's pretty cool, but we're just warming up. Since Performable integrates with support systems like Zendesk, we can get some additional conversion lift in our free trial by targeting users who enter the free trial, enter a support ticket, and have not upgraded by the end of the trial. What happened? Did an issue block the user from continuing to evaluate the product? Is there a missing feature that the user would pay for? Let's find out by sending an invitation for the user to contact management directly with their feedback. For this last example, we're going to get crazy. Let's hop back to the Lifecycle Analytics report, specifically the assists report for the upgraded account event. What we see here is the likelihood that the users who upgraded their account had completed other events beforehand. Right away we see something pretty cool. Almost everyone who upgrades their account has downloaded a PDF that outlines some more advanced uses of the product. Geez, that makes sense, because a lot of the features that are in the second tier plan are more advanced. And if users don't have a good reason to use them, they won't upgrade. Wow, that's a pretty killer insight. How about we target paying customers who haven't seen this PDF? Okay, sure, that's easy. Let's say, after 60 days of being a paying customer, if someone hasn't upgraded the account to the second tier, and they also haven't downloaded the Advanced Uses Case Study PDF, it's time to send them a non-salesy email with the sole purpose of driving engagement with that content. Then, if the customer is still happy with the paid plan they currently have, at least they're more aware of the additional features and why they're valuable. Also, it's terrific that you haven't wasted anyone's time who already has upgraded or already has seen the PDF. Thanks for taking the time to check out these cross-channel marketing ideas. We hope they gave you some ideas of your own. We have a free trial too. To check out Performable, just visit www.performable.com. If you're a customer, or you want more detailed information about Performable, it might be a good idea to look through our documentation as well. That's available over at docs.performable.com.